Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Daily English Practice. Speak like a pro. Hey everyone, welcome to Modern Talk English, your favorite space to learn, practice, and master English. I'm Maria, and today I'm bringing you a super exciting lesson. Daily English Practice. Speak like a pro. If you've been searching for ways to sound confident, fluent, and natural, this video is for you. We're going to cover real-life English phrases you can use every single day. By the end, you'll feel more comfortable speaking English anywhere. But first, don't forget to hit that like button to support this channel. Click subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a powerful English lesson. Your support helps me create these free lessons for students like you. Stay with me till the end because we have a fun practice challenge that will test your speaking skills. Ready? Let's dive in and start your English journey today. Paragraph 2. Before we jump in, take a second to breathe. Learning English should feel fun, not stressful. This channel is about modern, practical English, phrases that real people use daily. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, this lesson is perfect for you. We'll focus on natural conversation skills, pronunciation, and fluency. If you want to speak confidently, you need daily practice, and that's exactly what we're doing. Please drop a comment with your name and country. I love seeing our global classroom. Also, if you enjoy this video, share it with a friend. We're building a strong English learning community here. Paragraph 3. In today's video, you'll learn 20+ useful sentences for everyday conversations. You'll practice pronunciation and tone, and I'll show you how to sound like a native speaker. We'll use modern talk English techniques. Real conversations, no boring theory. Think of this as a mini English workout for your brain and voice. We'll do this step by step, so don't worry if you're shy or nervous. Mistakes are a sign that you're learning. Stick with me until the very end, because we have a speaking game that's super fun. Make sure your environment is quiet. You'll need to speak out loud. Repetition is the secret to fluency, and we'll repeat sentences together. Let's get started. Your confidence boost begins now. Section 2. Main content. Useful daily sentences. Paragraph 4. Let's start with greetings and introductions. Repeat after me. 1. Hi, how are you today? 2. I hope you're having a great day. 3. It's nice to meet you. These phrases make you sound friendly and confident. Now say, Hi, how are you today? With energy and a smile. Imagine you're meeting someone new. This makes your practice realistic. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Repeat these 3 sentences 5 times each. Every repetition builds your muscle memory. Let's keep going. Blast off. Paragraph 5. Now let's practice daily conversation questions. Repeat after me. 1. What are your plans for today? 2. Did you sleep well? 3. How's everything going? These questions start friendly conversations. Say them slowly first, then naturally. Imagine asking a friend or coworker. This makes English feel natural and easy. Remember, tone is as important as words. Smile when speaking. It changes your voice. Let's practice together. Paragraph 6. Let's focus on confident sentences. 1. I'm learning English every day. 2. I'm getting better and better. 3. I can speak confidently. Repeat these after me 3 times. Say them loud and proud. Confidence grows with positive affirmations. Write these sentences in your notebook. Say them every morning to boost your motivation. Sun daily speaking equals daily growth. You're doing amazing. Paragraph 7. Now let's sound polite and professional. Say after me. 1. Could you help me, please? 2. I really appreciate your time. 3. Thank you so much for your help. These make you sound kind and respectful. Practice slowly at first. Focus on your intonation. Polite sentences sound soft and warm. Being polite in English makes conversation smoother. Practice daily with your teacher or friends. You're becoming a confident communicator. Star. Paragraph 8. Here are phrases to buy time in conversations. 1. Let me think for a second. 2. That's a good question. 3. You know what I mean? These are phrases native speakers use often. They help you sound natural and relaxed. Say, "That's a good question," with a smile. Pause naturally after saying them. This gives you time to think while speaking. Now repeat them 3 times each. Great job. Section 3. Practice. Interactive drills. Paragraph 9. Now it's time to speak out loud with me. Repeat each of these lines. 1. I'm confident in my English. 2. I practice every single day. 3. I'm improving step by step. Say them slowly first, then quickly. Feel the rhythm of English. Great speakers repeat sentences until they sound natural. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Speak boldly even if you're unsure. This is your safe practice space. Let's go again. Paragraph 10. Let's act out a short dialogue. Maria. Hi, how are you today? You. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? Maria. I'm fantastic. What's your plan for today? You. I'm planning to study and practice English. Switch roles and repeat. Imagine this is a real-life conversation. Visualize yourself speaking to a native speaker. This helps your brain adapt faster. Practice makes progress, not perfection. Keep repeating until it feels natural. Repeat. Paragraph 11. Now let's practice pronunciation of tricky words. 1. Comfortable, comfortable. 2. Vegetable, vegetable. 3rd February, February. Say them slowly. Now speed up. Many learners mispronounce these, but not you. Repeat 5 times each. You'll sound more natural already. Your voice is getting stronger every day. Keep going. Paragraph 12. Confidence is a muscle. You build it daily. Repeat after me. I speak English with confidence and courage. Say it 3 times with energy. Believe in your progress. Each word you say is a victory. You're learning faster than you think. Now say, English is fun, with a smile. Loving English makes it easier to master. Let's repeat it one more time. English is fun and I'm improving every day. Section 4. Conclusion, motivation, plus call to action. Paragraph 13. Wow, you just completed a full speaking workout. We learned greetings, polite phrases, daily conversation tips, and tricky words. You repeated sentences and built your confidence step by step. You're becoming a fluent speaker. Never forget, practice every day for just 10 minutes. Small steps create big results. Be proud of your progress today. Now I want to hear from you. Comment your favorite phrase from this lesson below. This will help you remember it better. Brain. Paragraph 14. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit like right now. Your support helps me make more free videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe and join our Modern Talk English family. We post new English lessons every week. Learning English is a journey, and you're not alone. We're in this together. Make English part of your daily routine. Speak to yourself, practice with friends, or use this video daily. Consistency is the secret ingredient. You're on the right track. Paragraph 15. Here's your daily speaking challenge. Say 5 English sentences out loud today. Record yourself and listen carefully. This will improve your accent and pronunciation. If you can, comment those sentences below. Practice like this every day, and you'll be amazed in 30 days. English is not difficult. It's about building habits. Start small, but stay consistent. You've already taken the first step. Be proud of yourself. Keep learning. Paragraph 16. Remember, mistakes are your best teachers. Every time you speak, you're getting closer to fluency. Never compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Are you better than you were yesterday? That's success. Celebrate your growth no matter how small. Maria is proud of you today. Keep watching this video daily for practice. Each view equals stronger memory. You are unstoppable. Let's keep going. Star. Paragraph 17. Let's set a goal. This week, speak English for 10 minutes daily. Use sentences from this video. Talk to yourself or practice with a friend. The more you speak, the more confident you feel. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes equals learning opportunities. This is your safe learning space. Maria is here to guide you every step. We're building confidence together. Stay consistent. Paragraph 18. If you made it here, you are a serious learner. That's something to be proud of. You didn't just watch, you practiced. Every sentence you said out loud made you better. Fluency is about courage, not perfection. So be brave, speak daily, and trust the process. Your hard work will pay off. Maria believes in you. I'm so proud of your effort. Let's keep growing together. Paragraph 19. Now your final task. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with one friend. Practice daily. Rewatch this lesson and comment your progress below. You are part of the Modern Talk English family. We'll help you speak confidently anywhere in the world. Fluency is your future, and it starts now. Be consistent, be proud, and never give up. Every step counts. Thank you for learning with Maria today. See you in the next video. Keep speaking, keep shining. star,